get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling.
And tonight we gather despite our undertakings and busy schedules. We are here to celebrate our year-end party. It truly brings us together to feel the spirit of joy, kindness, camaraderie, teamwork, and of course, our triumph or victory.
Yes, I can. Doubt, better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit speaking and it's done. Woke up on the side of the bed like I won. Talk like the wind in my chest to that sun. G5 in the US to Taiwan. Now who can say that? I wanna play back. Mama knew I was a needle in a haystack. Oh, Body Boy, plus Maybach. I got a feeling it's a rap. ASAP.
Alam nyo po, ang tema po natin dito is Year in 2024. Nakikita ko po, hindi po ito magiging masaya at fulfillment kung wala po tayong pagkakaisa dito sa mga Tarom District Hospital. Red Sabatos, Pangasinan!
The mountains high, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike oil. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That glow, that spark, that crown. You're looking at the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever, can't hold me down. 100 miles gunning from the pitcher's mouth. Straight game face, it's game day. See me running through the crowd full of melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates. Take a genius to understand me.
Nakikita ko po yung pagkakaisa natin, pagmamahalan, para maituwid po ang ating Christmas party.
Never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah.
Nakikita po ng probinsya ang lahat po ng efforts na ginagawa po at lahat ng pagbabago sa MDH, and I salute each and everyone for the collective efforts. Pagbutihin po natin at sa 2025, lalo niyo pong ipakita ang mga Tarom ang galing, Pangasinan ang galing. Maraming salamat po and may God bless us all.
Alam niyo po, pati yung dalawang pako dito gusto nang sumayaw. Kaya again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mga Tarom, mahal na mahal ko po kayo, mga Tarom District Hospital. Thank you.
MDH, kumusta kayo? Gising pa ba kayo? MDH! Ang galing!